Hi everyone, welcome to Beta Learning. Today we'll be seeing sort operations, extraction of a column based on a value, conditional extraction, slicing, label-based slicing, and how to use relational operators and data visualization. So all these activities we'll be doing in Excel. Okay, so first let's go to let's work on how to sort the values. That means let's try to do sorting on names. Okay, so this is our Excel sheet, whatever we have done earlier, that only I'm using. Okay, I didn't change anything. So now let's go over here, is equal to same like py, and since I want to sort the names descending order, like df dot sort underscore values. This is the formula. Okay, with what I need to sort, it is by names. So it will be like name name, and ascending is equal to false. So let's see. Okay, so let's see the Excel value. So the names like Sandeep, earlier over here it was like Anirudh, Ram, it was not in a sorted. But here, since you have given descending, right, ascending is equal to false, you've given. That means it will be taking like a descending. Sandeep, Ram, Rajan, Pramod, Anirudh. Okay, so it is in the name has been sorted in a descending order. Okay, so if I want to return only the columns, okay, now let's see if I want to return only the columns, because sometimes we may in a real-time scenario, there will be 100 columns, right? You cannot recollect all the things, right? You cannot scroll the Excel sheet here and there. So at that time, how we can do? Py tab df dot columns, control enter. Yes. So let's see, it is taking a little time. Yeah, so go over here, Excel value. That means it is all processing. Okay, so these are the values: name, age, salary, occupation. Say name, age, salary, occupation. And if I want to get the values, okay, rather than columns, I want only the values, equal to py, same way, df dot values, div dot values. Okay, so control enter. Let's see. And how will Excel values will be? Let's, yeah. See, only it has given the value. Still it is processing. It is. To wait. Yeah. Okay. So Anirudh, Ram, Pramod, Rajan, without the column it has given. Okay. Earlier thing we got only the column. Now I want to track only the specific column. Okay. For example, if I want to track only want to get only the salary. Okay. So what I can do, equal to py df dot salary. It should give only the salary details, like 15, 10,000, 15,000, 13, 34,000, like that. Let's see. Okay. It's processing. Let's wait. Yeah. So it is given, yeah, right? Salary 10,000, 15,000, 34,000, 2,000, 50,000. So these values it is given. Okay. And now next what we can do, like if I want to get only a specific columns, now you have given only one column. I want, for example, name, age, and occupation, not the salary. So what we can do, same way, equal to P by DF name, age, and occupation. Control enter. Okay. Let's wait. Yeah. So name, age, and occupation. Still it is processing. Just hold on, it will come to it. Okay. Name, age, salary it didn't take. Only it's taking the occupation. So all the details we have got. Okay. So now next we will look into slicing. Okay. If you want only the particular row and a particular column, or if you want to get only the portion of a value, okay, we will be using slicing. Okay, like in the row, there are 100 rows, 100, there are 100 rows and 100 columns. You want to get only the 50th row and 50th column. So how we will be getting? So those type of operations will be done via slicing. It is like a extraction of a part of a string or a variable. Okay, so that the users will access the specific range of elements with the help of indexes. Okay, so now what we can do means, and another thing, whenever I'm going telling is second row means we should say 0, 1, 2. Okay. So like if we want promote salary means 0, 1, 2. Promotes detail means I should give like that. Okay. So if I want, I need the promotes only the salary part. Okay. So that means 0, 1, 2. So I will give like 2. Okay. Now let's give over here. Okay. Equal to EY df dot LOC means it refers to the slicing. Okay. And why I'm putting 2 means it is the 0, 1, 2. That refers the promote 0, 1, 2. Okay. Actually, it should be third row, but Python may not understand. It will start from 0. Let's see. Should it's taking a little time. Yeah, 34,000, right? Promote salaries because you're given only the promote second 0, 1, 2, and the salary, the salary part is only 34. That's the thing. It has given the 34th quarter. Okay. And for extracting, like now we will try with the Rajan's part. Okay. We need to get all the details of Rajan. So Rajan is what? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's give how to get the Rajan's part ones, like equal to we will get py df dot LOC 3 colon 3 comma colon. That means all the columns will be all the columns should be displayed for the third row. So control enter. Yes. Yes. It's taking time. Let's wait. Yeah, Rajan part has come, right? All the is Rajan details. It's still it is buffering because the 0, 1, 2, 3 that is Rajan, right? 0, 1, 2, 3 his detail like Rajan is Rajan 34 2000 data engineer. So that's the third Rajan 34 2000 data engineer. We have received it. Okay, and if you want to get only the Pramod and Rajan details, okay, because 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and let's see what we can do. That equal to py df dot loc 2012 colon 4. See, wait. So displaying it in taking time. Yeah. So Pramod, Rajan, and Sandeep. Okay, that detail has come. Okay, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, and 4. The column should be. Okay, so all the details will be from there. It will come. And now let's go with conditional based slicing. Okay, because now let's use the relationship operator like lesser than, greater than, not equal to. Okay, so let's take off 34. Okay, because 34 appears twice. Okay, so let's see whichever the age that has 35, and then that is 34. Okay, so we will do. So we should have Ram and Rajan name. Okay, equal to py df dot loc the df dot age equal to 34 common colon. That means all the things should come. All the columns should come. Only whichever has 34. See, equal to 34 we have given, right? So yeah, see Ram and Raja. There still it is buffering. We can see the exact salary. Still it is buffering. Yeah. Since I have given 34, as per this thing, 34, there are only two persons, Ram and Rajan. So their both details have come. Okay. So now I'm giving not equal to 34 again, the same cell, not equal to 34. Let's see. It should bring all the values apart from. Yeah, see all the values. Okay, still it is buffering. See, there is no 34. Now also we can do like age lesser than 40, lesser than 40. Still it is buffering. Because in this above 40 is only 45 and 56. So 3 values will come. Yeah, 30, 34, 34, 30, 34. Because above 40 is only 45 and 56. Sandeep and Anirudh, they were not in here. Okay. So that's the thing. Now let's look into visualization. Okay. Because visualization is important. Okay. With the data, with the tabular format, we cannot exactly get the it will be very difficult to get the actual picture. Okay. Because suppose my boss is asking me for the last 1 year, I want to know the profit and loss. What are the products that gave profit and what are the products that gave loss, and how many employees are performing best. Like these type of information, rather than Excel sheet with values, if you are giving them in a pictorial representation, it will be easy for him to judge, right? By looking at the picture, easily he can come to know, okay, where is the profit, where is the loss, where is the company standing. For example, if there is a bar chart, okay, in the bar chart, every year the bar will show, right? Whether there is a progress or whether there is a where there needs improvement. Those type of activities, if it is in a pictorial representation, it will be too good for any organization to proceed further, right? So that they need not to waste the time in tracking in the Excel and filtering with the charts and filtering operations. Instead of that, the pictorial representation helps to understand the business, helps to understand the subject very well. Okay, so for that purpose only we are using visualization. So now also there are the various things like pie chart, graph, histograms, like various type of pictorial representation as there. Now let's look into. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now for example, our scenario based on this, what we can do means since the age we have 34 2. Okay, my boss is telling, see, based on the age, I want to find the salary. Or for example, if a person, based on the age, for example, like if there are 10 persons, in the 10 persons, 5 persons, their age is 20 means that 5%, the person who has, the 5 persons who has 20 age, their salary must be summed up. And I need to know what is the sum of the salary. So that this age group people are getting this much salary. This is for example I'm telling. Okay, usually for salary, all the things, it will be matter of grade actually. For with this grade, how much salary? But for illustration purpose, I am taking the age at. Okay, so for example, how many persons are there with age 45? Here it is 1. If there are 2 persons, means that 2 persons salary must be calculated, and I need a visualization chart. Okay, visualization bar graph or a line graph like that. In our example, the 34 is repeated twice, so that can help us to understand. Okay, because the salary will be like 17,000. Okay, so we can see. Okay, for that we need to there is a small formula that is easy, right? Py. Okay, and what we should do, we are giving f chart a variable, because I need to you can give any variable. This is just a variable name only. df dot group by df dot group by pd represents pandas grouper. Then we are looking in terms of age, right? Based on the age we are checking. Age we are calculating, we are summing up the salary. Okay, and then we need to sum the salary. Yes. Okay, so we have summed up. Now this has to be represented in a graph, right? In a chart or something. F chart dot. In the x-axis, I am taking age. Okay. In y-axis, I am taking the salary. And I need a line graph. Okay, we'll step by step, we'll see line. Okay, and I'm executing it. See. Okay, we have got the image. Okay, so if I press this Excel value, you can see a small image. I will let you know. Yeah, can you see a small like image, a square I could see? It will be there. We want to make it big. Okay, further I'm expanding the cells. Okay, and go to home. Okay, don't search in formulas. Go to home. Go to merge and center. Okay, now the image generated by Python. Just hold on, it is generating. Okay, so this is the line graph. Okay, we have got the line graph for 45. The salary is 1,000, 10,000, right? That's the thing, right? For 45, the salary is 10,000. For 34, it should be 17,000, right? For the age of 13,000, 15,000 plus 2,000. For 34, again, so that's what the 17,000. Here it is 34, here it is 17. And similarly for 30, it will be 37, right? For 30, 34,000. That's what it is here. For 30, it is 34,000. For 55, it is 50,000. Okay. Same way we can do in bar graph, because this line graph is not that much very well represented. Bar graph will be better. See, very well it is represented. See, all the age, it is in the x-axis and the salary is in the y-axis. So 45, okay, is 10,000. 45 is 10,000. And 34 is, it should be 17,000, right? 15,000 plus 2,000. That's what 15,000, that is, it is correctly showing in 17,000. So see this bar, how it is easily, it is representing. And similarly, 30 age, it will be 35,000, I think so. Yes. 30 is 34,000. So that's what it is giving over here. And 56 is 50,000. Okay. So this is also gives a good representation, better than the line chart. You can put pi also. Let's see. It should work. Okay. Now the pie chart also comes. See, this is the salary. 30% is represented as a green color. 34 is represented as a like a orange color. So 56 is the maximum. So like that, it is giving the representation. So this is the way you can visualize. Not to, you can try with various example. Now I have given with the bar chart. You can try with histogram. You can try with the various other options. And you can spoil your hands by making errors, and then only you can learn. So I hope you enjoyed this session. Thanks for watching. Bye.